In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test sequences in HubSpot. If you're looking to optimize your email campaigns and improve your outreach efforts, A/B testing is one of the most effective ways to see what resonates best with your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently set up and test variations within your email sequences to achieve better results. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. This is your starting point for accessing all of HubSpot's tools, including the sequences feature we'll be working with today. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you'll need to create one. Keep in mind that advanced features like A/B testing may require a paid plan, so be sure to check your subscription level before proceeding. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From there, head over to the Sales menu, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Click on it and then select Sequences from the drop-down menu. This is where all the magic happens. The Sequences section is your central hub for managing, creating, and editing your email workflows. Now that you are in the Sequences section, the next step is to decide whether you want to work with an existing sequence or create a new one. If you already have a sequence that isn't performing as well as you'd like, you can select it here to make some adjustments and improve its effectiveness. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, click on Create Sequence to build one from scratch. Creating a new sequence is a great way to align your emails with specific campaign goals. Whether you're driving signups, encouraging purchases, or simply building engagement, each email in your sequence should be crafted with a clear purpose in mind. Once your sequence is ready, it's time to add an A/B test. To do this, open any email step within your sequence. This could be the first email, a follow-up, or any other email you'd like to optimize. When you're in the email editor, look for the option to add an A/B test. It's usually labeled as a plus sign or reads Add A/B Test. Click on it, and you're ready to begin creating variations for testing. Now, let's set up those variations. For each variation, think about what you want to test. This could be your subject line, the call to action, the tone of your email, or even the content itself. For example, you might create one version of the email with a formal tone and another that feels more casual. The goal here is to experiment and identify what resonates most with your audience. A/B testing is all about using data to take the guesswork out of your email strategy. Once you've set up your variations, it's crucial to save your changes. This ensures that everything you've worked on is preserved and ready to be implemented. Before you hit save, take a moment to review your work carefully. Double-check for any typos, missing links, or errors that could impact the effectiveness of your sequence. This quick review step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Finally, once your sequence and A/B tests are live, it's time to monitor the results. HubSpot provides analytics and insights that will show you how each variation is performing. Pay close attention to key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to refine your approach and make improvements over time. The more you test and iterate, the better your outcomes will be. And that's how you A/B test sequences in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can optimize your email campaigns and make data-driven decisions to enhance your results. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.